Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Chrysler 300 brake pads, easy method. Begin by loosening lug nuts, raising the car with a jack, and securing it on jack stands. Remove the wheel and inspect the rotor and caliper condition. Keep a small container for bolts and clips so nothing gets lost. Clean mounting surfaces and check brake hardware for wear before installing new pads and reassembling. Start by removing the caliper guide pin bolts and carefully support the caliper to avoid stressing the brake hose. Use a C-clamp or proper piston tool to compress the caliper piston slowly until it sits flush. Take out the old pads and inspect the brake hardware and rotor for scoring or uneven wear. Clean the caliper bracket and apply brake grease to sliding points to ensure smooth operation before fitting new pads. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and quick tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I used for timing and music while working on the car. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Fit new anti-rattle clips and any shims exactly where the old ones sat to prevent noise. Insert the new pads with the friction material facing the rotor and make sure they seat correctly in the caliper bracket. Reposition the caliper over the pads and torque the guide pin bolts to the proper specification. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and perform a careful brake pedal test to ensure firm pressure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.